This is the Save App Trail. We're going to go up to the red stripe and click on Trail. We see it starting out in the main program. Here we see it getting to the label LL. Here we see it setting it to the note 92, making sure the canvas is canvas 2, and it's starting to set up some data for rectangle fill. We'll advance it 9. Here we see the rest of the data for the rectangle fill, the width, XY position, the color black, rectangle fill, and here we see it. Marks that as clickable, but then it checks to see if it was clicked, and it wasn't, so it jumps here, setting up another XY value. Sets up a color and a font and puts the text return into that black box, and there we see it, return. And then we see it's going to call the routine in subprogram 8, tab 16. Well, here we see it in subprogram 8. Here's tab 16. Sets an X and Y value and a font and a color. Let's go 9 more. And does a box T on one character at page A. And because it has a click number here, it's updatable. Well, that's this A that got put there. Alright, and it's updatable. If you click on it, you can change it. Well, next thing it does is it capitalizes that letter. If it is a letter, it makes sure it's capitalized. Then it goes and finds the ASCII value for that letter and puts it in L. Now there's a given pattern for every letter of the alphabet, so it goes and gets the L letter and puts its pattern in pattern. Patterns need to know R, S, X, and Y so that they can make a dot list for a polygon, and here it's making the dot list. We'll advance it 9 more. It sets it to this color, which is a 604 and an 801. That's why this is a dual color A, because it got set to 2 different colors. And then it made the polygon fill. So that's been done. Then it sets another XY position up, a font of bold 20 points, and that's this down here. You can see the color 7, which is a medium blue, and then it puts the text there about the file, and there you see it. And then it goes home and it exits. Well, that's the end of the trail for the Save app.